Hey everybody, Crypto Mentor 99. How you doing? How you doing? How you doing? I haven't done that in a while. Anyhow, June 30th, 2025, coming to you from International Global Galactic Headquarters. This just in, Jerome Powell, yeah, that guy, Jerome Powell to be replaced in the next few weeks. Evidently, love him or hate him, Trump wants to actively consider a replacement for Jerome Powell, even though Powell's current term is expected to to end in May 2026. Evidently, Trump wants to accelerate the process by nominating a shadow Fed chair. I don't know exactly what that means. More details later, but the main and the plane of the story is Jerome Powell, like Gary Gensler, is making his way into retirement. That's the video. Crypto Mentor 99, thanks for being part of my crypto family. And Jerome, great knowing you. It's time to go. Love y'all. Bye-bye.